The question says a metal M forms chlorides in its +2 and +4 oxidation states. Okay, two oxidation states are there for single metal. It says which of the following statements about these chlorides is correct. Identify the correct statement. Four statements are given there. Two types of chlorides we have. We have MCl2 in which it shows +2 oxidation state, MCl4 in which it shows +4 oxidation state. Okay. First statement, MCl2 is more easily hydrolyzed than MCl4, and always keep in mind if we talk about hydrolyzed part, a solubility part, then you should go for the hydration enthalpy. And we have learned higher the hydration enthalpy, higher is the solubility. Okay, hydration enthalpy directly proportional to the charge and inversely proportional to size. So in general you can see it is having a higher charge. It is having higher charge and it is having lower charges there. So in general it is supposed to have higher hydration enthalpy and higher tendency to get hydrolyzed. So this statement is not correct. By hydration enthalpy we can justify. Second, we have +2 charge is there and this is what +4 charge is there. Okay, now pay attention carefully. MCl2 is more volatile, means high vapor pressure. MCl2 is having higher vapor pressure than MCl4. Okay, and we have learned vapor pressure is inversely proportional to boiling point vapor pressure. Okay, boiling point inversely proportional to vapor pressure. If boiling point is higher, vapor pressure will be lower. Okay, we can identify that type of bond. Then we can use Fajan's rule. Okay, by Fajan's rule we have learned higher the charge of a cation or anion, higher is the polarizing power and higher is the covalent character. We have learned higher the charge by Fajan's rule, higher the charge of cation or anion, higher is the polarizing power and higher is the covalent character if charge is high. So in this case you can see charge is high, so it is supposed to have covalent character. In this case charge is less, just ulta, just opposite. Then in this case it will have ionic character. Okay, this is ionic by nature and this is covalent by nature. By Fajan's rule we justified. Okay, ionic by nature means electrostatic force of attraction is there, then boiling point will be higher. And if boiling point is higher for this, then boiling point inversely proportional to vapor pressure, then it is supposed to have less vapor pressure. It is supposed to be less volatile, but it says that it is more volatile. Okay, see, such a wonderful statement is given here. We identified the type of bond, then we identified, we compared their boiling point. From there we can talk about volatility. Okay, since it is having ionic bond, then it is supposed to have higher boiling point due to electrostatic force of attraction and lower vapor pressure. Hence we can say option B is also incorrect. See, MCl2 is more soluble in anhydrous. Since it is ionic by nature, it is supposed to be more soluble in polar solvent. Anhydrous ethanol is there. Anhydrous in the sense water is not there. Okay, ionic compounds are more soluble in polar solvent. Okay, in water. This statement is also incorrect. And D, MCl2 is more ionic than MCl4. That is absolutely correct, because higher the charge, higher covalent character, smaller the charge, higher ionic character. Statement D, option D is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.